What you doing now, Dave?
Adding oil to my hubs.
What happened?
A little plug that goes in there is invented. I mean, it is. You can see the detent, but it doesn't let air in and out.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We roll, we camp, and yeah, we play.
Adding oil to my bearings. On the way to the campground, when we got here, noticed oil all over the tires and down on the ground from the bearings, both sides.
Both sides front?
Both sides front.
Okay.
What are we gonna
Looks
do?
like you're gonna have to fix something.
Uh-oh.
Hope it's not serious.
Could be a beer meter job, big time beer meter. What it is, there's a little hole here, a little plug that goes in there. And as the bearings heat up, as you're driving down the road, the pressure has to change. Well, they don't have a hole in this little plug. It looks like it has one, but it doesn't go all the way through. And so the pressure built up, boop, the plug comes squirting out inside the hub cap, and then oil just started flying everywhere.
At least it was still there.
Yeah.
This has got a clear cover on it. You can see how much oil you have.
Yeah, it's got marks on it, witness marks.
So this one says add, and this one says full.
Right.
And I can see it right here, so you're at the full line.
Yep.
Oh, that is pretty cool. How much did you have to put in?
Yeah, only about maybe 4 ounces, if that.
Oh, really? And son, what are you going to do from now? So that it doesn't come out again.
So it doesn't, I'm going to tape it in for right now.
Hey, there's our new flag. In front of Max. Oh, you have to take all the hubs off and everything. Oh my God.
I'm going to tape the little plug in.
Look. There's oil all over the freaking place.
Okay.
You're going to be busy. Okay, sorry. More? Tell me.
You wanted to see what it was going to do.
Okay. What are you going to do? Okay.
So I put the little plug back in the hub with a hole in it.
Oh.
And I cleaned it off real good and put some extra tape on it so I can get to a Freightliner dealer and get a couple little new plugs.
Okay. That's about it then, huh?
That's about it.
That got to clean up.
That, and you got to clean all this stuff up.
Well, we'll see when we get home how it looks.
How clean it's going to be.
What happens if you never caught that
Eventually your wheel would seize up.
while you're driving
Yeah.
through the mountains,
Through the mountains.
through the twisties?
They get real hot.
And could it blow your tires too?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
Darn good thing you figured that one out and saw it.
Yep. Good thing.
Yep.
You figured a newer rig.
How many beers for that? This is an easy job.
Oh, it's hot out.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Cool
Some
breeze.
people call it nice.
It's a breeze.
It's a Sunday.
It is Sunday.
It is Sunday. Oh, it's going to be triple times. I mean, we're looking at 26 right now. We ain't done.
No. 2 beers a tire and an extra couple beers because it's Sunday. It's beautiful out. You're at a campground. We're going to go swimming.
Yeah.
So, 6. That's it. I'm hanging up. Bye-bye. 6. That's all you're getting.
Hey, now, wait a minute here.
Well, we're back. Drove for about an hour, and we are clean and dry. Actually, you got a little spray here.
Feel hot.
Ain't no wonder that thing came out.
It shouldn't be that hot, should they?
I don't know. Where's your tester?
Seems a lot
101,
hotter than
102.
that.
Oh, there you go. 125. 120 or so?
Yeah. What's the tire? 116.
Let's check the other side. 113, 112.
98.
About the tire? 116,
Yeah.
117.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a hot for the tire?
No.
Got a couple more of those seals, caps, whatever they call them.
Plugs. They go right here like this.
We were able to find those on eBay. You poked a hole in it though, didn't you?
Yeah.
So show us how you put the hole in it.
Tiny little drill bit. And then there we go, just a little vent hole.
Okie doke.
And that seemed to help driving back home.
Yeah. So hopefully.
Yeah, because the air or the bearing heats up as you're driving just because of braking or what have you. And then that air expands, and without that vent hole, the plug goes poop, pops right out. And then oil starts flying everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Oil levels down just a hair. Looks full now, don't it?
Hmm?
It's right across here.
Oh, okay, yeah, that looks good.
And I take this spray, put a little spray on it. Yeah. Just clean off the oil there.
So was that brake cleaner?
Brake cleaner. Take the oil off the plug hole, and then we'll push the new plug in.
Well, that fits better, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Then you take this, put that on there, and you put your fake lug nuts on.
Plastic. Well, that's a nifty little tool.
Fine, nifty little tool for tightening those things.
It's plastic, isn't it?
Yeah. Amazon.com/shop/what's-on-wheels. And then you just kind of hand tighten it. Don't have to over torque. And the other side is just a repeat of that. That times 2.
How many beers, Dave?
It's a
For
hot-
this part?
For this part. It's a hot day. That's at least 4 beers.
For both tires?
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's a hot day. Read the contract.
Oh, you have read the contract. It had hot day had nothing to do with it.
I don't know. We're going to have to take another look at that contract for negotiation purposes.
Oh, boy.
Here we go again.
What are you doing now, Dave?
Laying on the floor, taking it down.
Why?
I want to jack up the front end on this thing, this wheel, so I can spin it and check to see if I'm having any brake drag.
Is that what could be causing the heat?
That's what could be.
If that heat's even bad. I don't even know if it's bad or not.
Yeah, I don't know what the operating parameters are. But
Well, from what I've seen on online, we were okay. Let's see what you got going on here. So you just got to get that off the ground enough to see if this spins, huh?
yep.
It dawned on us that, hey, we have leveling jacks. Let's use those instead of using the bottle jack. So I came in here and clicked that button, and the front of the nose came up. So let's see what we got going on. If you push it really hard, will it spin like at least once or twice around? Oh, I don't think you got a brake problem then.
Not on this side. Can you lift the left side a little?
It's not off the ground?
Not quite on the left.
That doing anything? How's this? That's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, that's pretty good. All right. There's no play. No. Okay, you can let it down.
Retract all. Good to know we have manual use here. You never know, get a blown tire or something. Got a beep, beep, beep. Operating. And we are good. Okay, Dave, give us a final synopsis here.
Well, I jacked it up and spun the wheels. They seem to be fine, no brake drag, no play. So I'm thinking the wheels are all right. You know, we just pulled in when we measured the temperature on these things, and we were only here for a couple minutes. So
Yeah, like 126
yeah.
degrees.
So I don't know.
Maybe that's not a problem.
Maybe that's not a problem. Anybody else got ideas?
So how many beers for just checking the wheels?
I don't know. It's early in the morning.
No beer early in the morning?
No beer early in the morning.
Oh, that's that. I would have to cut you off then.
There you go.
Thanks for rolling with What's on Wheels. Want to help our channel grow? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell, or we'll come Jeep chasing you. Hey, and leave us a comment. Even a quick hello makes our day. So roll, camp, play, and maybe fix something, and have a beer.